Queens and Kings, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since you guys heard from me or seen a video from me from either one of the channel. I know. I'm actually going through a lot right now, and that's Andre. But anywho, I'm basically showing you guys how the apartment looked before I decided to start doing the refresh in my home. And this is the first look that I came up with that you guys didn't get to see, and I was gonna show you guys. I'm still not sure about this look, so I don't know. I'm just gonna have to hold this video off again because I'm not satisfied. I'm the type person I need to have everything just about perfect. That's Andre still in the background talking. So here's the second look. Now I liked this look too, but then here where I'm showing you guys the sofa in the dining room table where it is actually meet up, it was just taking up too much space. Now I'm basically showing you here where that TV was actually on that wall there between the two wall sconces there. But it wasn't sitting well for me. It felt like it was just crowding up everything. I like it to be open because my floor plan is like 1,300 feet. So therefore I do have a lot of room that I could change this up as in many ways. Okay, so this is the second look, and I'm not gonna go with the second look. I really changed my mind so many times. This is the reason why it's taking this video so long to come out. But I bought other pieces too that helped me change my mind. All right, Queens and Kings. So here is the new picture, which is more like a glass, and I got this from American Signature Furniture. Like I was saying, I'm sorry, some parts gonna be just voiceover, but I got it from American Signature Furniture. When I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, this is every color that basically I'm going with in the living room. I have to get this piece. I have to get it. I love it. I really do love this piece. I love the texture on it because it's not just like a regular canvas, and it just have all the colors that I need for this moment into this living room. So I thought, since those are the colors I call myself going with, but obviously if I'm bringing this video to you guys, I'm not gonna go with these colors in my living room. So it was $149.99. Now I didn't even pay attention that it was on clearance until the man came and basically we both looked at it. Well, come to find out, the price was $80 for the picture. It was $80 for it. So I love it. I really do love it. So I'm loving my new. Okay, Queens and Kings. So as you guys seen, you seen the first look where I had the love seat or the sofa here and one over here, but I divided and put the other one over here in my sitting area, which you guys may hear the dryer or washer going off in the background. As you guys see, I got a whole bunch of clothes over there I need to do. But anywho, that was the first look. Now the second look that I had was basically the couch was right here, and I had the TV over there. I think I showed you guys where I was actually in the middle of rearranging it. I had totally forgot to record it because I'm so undecisive of what looks that I want. I know. That's just how undecided I am. Okay, so after I had the love seat, I meant the sofa here, and I changed it to this look that you guys see here. So this is the third look. I have a final look, which this so-called supposed to be the final look, but it's not gonna be the final look. So I decided to just go ahead and show you guys because I know it's taking me forever because I just can't make up my mind, and I'm that person. If it's not perfect to me, I don't like it or whatever, I'm gonna change again, and I don't want no one else waiting on me or whatever to, because my mind could goes and comes on. I be getting ideas and inspiration by looking at stuff all in my sleep, dreaming or whatever, or I see something, I get inspiration or so it is what it is. But I have it and I'm actually loving it, but I just want to try it one more. Okay, Queens and Kings, so here is the final look before I change the colors out again. I'm sorry, I love the yellow. I love the yellow. I really do love the yellow, but I think I love that blue more. I don't fell in love with that navy blue. I don't know what it is about that blue. I was trying to get away from it. I was even trying to put it in my room, but I'm like, I have so much of the navy blue, so it's like, okay, I don't want to put it in my room because I have so much of it. But this is the final look before I actually make the last change of what I'm going to do. This is the setup, and this setup here is this idea, and the credit go to my husband. He was like, why don't we set it up this way? We never set it up this way. Never since we've been here. Y'all know we've been here, what, 2 years, 3 years, or whatever. We never set it up this way. So this is the final look of how it looked before I actually make the change with the yellow. Once again, the yellow is going in my oldest son room because Willie will be back here. Okay, not you, baby. I'm talking about Willie. I know you like blue, okay? All right. So he basically gonna get the rug, gonna go in his room. I think the throw, and I have some other yellow pillows that he's going to get. So I'm going to be selling the curtains. So if you guys want the curtains, let me know. In the pillow shams, it's 2 large pillow shams. So if you want them, let me know, hit me up. I can sell them to you or ship it on out to you. Now, what I would not be selling is my picture. I know you guys like, okay, Val, so what are you going to do about the picture? I'm still going to keep the picture, but I'm going to make the flowers pop on the picture. I have a little easy little DIY that would not damage the flower or damage the canvas, the picture at all, that I could always just convert back over to this. So I'm still going to keep that or whatever. So I'm loving it, and I like it because it's round. It's not square. Here you guys see the 2 mirrors over here, so that means I made some changes with the laundry closet in the background. I made some changes. These mirrors are going to stay here, I think, but I'm looking for another mirror to go in between it. I'm quite sure I won't find one exactly like that, but I will find one at least similar like that with all the mirror, you know, all mirror like that. So that's the reason why that little empty space is over there. And that's what I mean. So many changes, so much stuff that I got going on. It's just crazy. It's chaos. It's chaos. So what I did is...
It's a shadow.
Yes. So what I did here is reupholster the chair. Made it the same color fabric of the gray. I love that gray, which is a charcoal gray. I love it. And I just put like a little easy DIY table over here for just a moment because I'm trying to figure out, is this the setup that I really want? That's the reason why the table over there, because I'm actually thinking about making one or just buy another mirror end table like I have over there in my queen lounge. So as you guys can see, the coffee table, this is similar to what the coffee table most likely gonna look like whenever I go ahead and make that arrangement. Y'all just gonna see the nitty gritty, honey. And I might just go back to my blue, like I said. Or I may actually come up with another color.
Go to blue.
But anywho, so yeah, this is the coffee table, how it look. Now, over here, I just have my air purifier over there. I'm actually gonna put the other piece of ottoman over there. Or another ottoman over there. I don't know yet. I don't know. So, Willie going to get the yellow. His room is going to be the black, yellow, and white in his room. It's going to be that color in his room. So, I'm happy that he's willing to take this or whatever, because I was like, what I'm going to do about the rug? This is basically where we have the television set up. This is where our AC unit, and you see all of the ugliness. I don't clean it. I can't clean it no more. I'm really going to have to paint it. And I don't know if I'm going to do that. This is going to be removed or paint over and put some type of wording or something there, because that's what I'm thinking about doing there. But right now, this is basically how the TV set up, and it's just help hide that little ugliness. So I'm just going to have to get some paint for the housing apartment and just paint it, because that's basically what they did. So anyways, but this is the TV area. So this is the idea my husband came up with, the seating area of how to do this last look. I really like that he thought of that ideas, because it was something different that I didn't think about doing at all. Like, I don't know. But when he came up with this idea, I was like, okay, we'll just try it out and see. And I'm actually liking it. I really do like it. So, Queens and Keys, it's the final look that you guys will see with the yellow. And this is basically how it turned out. I actually do like it. But my son's gonna go with the yellow. He won't yellow in his room, so it was like, okay, win for win. But you should have told me before I bought that picture, but he didn't. So, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna make it work, because that's what I was just debating about. Like, if I'm gonna take the yellow out, like, bruh, I can sell everything else, but I can't get rid of my canvas. Like, no, I just got that. I got that. No, I can't do that, son. Yeah. So, Queens and Kings, I hope you guys forgive me for my undecided self, me changing my mind constantly over and over. But I like to know which look did you guys like. The first look with both of the chairs, the love seat in the sofa in this area, or just with the sofa being right here and the TV on that wall. I can't remember what else I had it. I can't remember. Oh, in the TV over there, I mean the sofa on that wall there, the TV was there, and then we had the little bench sitting right here. So this is the fourth look here. This is the fourth look here. I actually like the fourth look. I think I'm going to stay with the fourth look, but the colors are going to change. I really want to go back to my blue. I really want to go back to my blue. So I hope you queens and kings like this video. Enjoy what I did show you all, because I didn't want you guys to wait any more longer, because there's so much going on behind the scenes. Like, I'm all over the place. I can't even focus to even do a DIY. Like, I got to get my house together so I can get my life together, so I can focus, because this anxiety is taking over big time. Can you hear it in my voice? Okay. All right. I'll talk to you queens and kings in the next video. I hope you guys are staying safe, being safe, be careful, constantly wash your hands, protect yourself so you can protect others, so therefore we can get this virus out of this world, so we can go back to our regular normal, because I don't like this normal here. But anyways, I love you guys. You guys be blessed and continue to be royal.